Hi again. Now we need just to create this small shield that exists here on the shoulder. I need to create this piece right here. So how can we do that? Let's jump to the right view and let's see what we got here. I am in the wireframe mode, and as you see there is not enough vision here to understand what's going on. So let's see, maybe I can maybe grab the arm details, all of them, and hit M to create a new collection, and go to this plus and create a new collection, and let's call this arm, and let's hit OK. Now all of these pieces should go to place called arm, as you see right here. Now you can turn off everything, and let's select the chest and let's hit M and create a new collection, and let's call it chests and hit OK. And let's turn off the chest, just hide it. And now let's see how can we create this piece right here. Let's jump to the right view and let's see what we got in this area. So we can add this circle right here, and you can align it to the view, and it is very big. I think this number will work, 8, as I think they will work. Maybe we can increase this to 10. Just make sure that you have 2 vertices in the middle because we need to cut this area. So I think 12 will be very nice. Scale this down, make it very small, just like that. And now tap to the edit mode, grab all of these edges and hit X and dissolve edges, or hit X and go to edge to delete these edges. And now we got this shape right here. Let's move this a bit. Maybe I need to move it right here a bit, just like that. And sorry, I just hit number 1. And after that, just tap to the edit mode and then go to grab these vertices, hit E to extrude this result down right here, and hit F to create an edge between them. Now we got this shape, as you see, just like that. Let's go to the front view and let's see what we can do here. Let's hit G and move this right here, and let's change the 3D cursor and put it right there. Hold Shift and then hold right click and take the 3D cursor, but we need to snap it right here. How can we do that? Let's change the snap to vertex snap, and that's it. And then hold Shift, hold right click and take the 3D cursor, and when you get here, hold Control to snap the 3D cursor, just like that. And change the transform pivot point, change it to 3D cursor. Now we can rotate from that point, just like that, to create this. Let's take this back to medium point, and let's grab all of these vertices, and let's hit F to fill this area, just like that. And you can grab this vertex with this one and hit J to connect them, just like that. Hit J, and the same thing, maybe we can subdivide this area, right click, subdivide, and let's increase the number to 3, and that's it. Now grab this, hit J, this one, hold Shift, this one, hit J, the same thing, this one, hit J. Well, that's cool. Well, now after that, let's grab the entire edge loop, and let's switch to the front view and let's hit E to extrude, and let's extrude this right here, and let's hit S and scale it to the X-axis, hit 0, enter to make it straight, and let's move it forward a bit, maybe right here, sorry. Let's take these vertices up, key and take them up, and take these down, just like that. And when you complete, grab them all and scale them in the right view. scale them just like that, scale them to the Z, and take them down. Don't worry about what's going on here, we will fix this area. And maybe I need to scale them to the Y a bit more, and to the Z and G, and take them down. Well, let's grab these vertices G and take them up, back right there. Maybe we need to scale them to the Y a bit. Well, that's nice. Now we got something like this. Now let's check the face orientation, because I don't know what the normal is, outside or inside. So let's go to this option right here, and let's go to face orientation. And as you see, if you see everything blue, that means everything is correct. But if you see from the outside the face is red, that means you need to flip them. But for now I don't have any problem. Well, if you want to learn how to flip the face or how to correct it, if you have an issue with this one, just hit shift, just hit A to select all the faces, and then hit shift N to recalculate the normal. And because everything is correct, nothing will happen. But if this was flipped, if you hit Alt N and hit flip, if you see the result like this, select everything, hit A, and then shift N to recalculate the normal, just like that. Now let's turn off this option, and now we got this result, as you see. Well, now let's tap to the edit mode, and let's grab these three faces. Hold Control, grab these, XF to delete them, we don't need them. And maybe I need to give this a shell, but before that, and now let's go to front view, tap to the edit mode. Let's grab these vertices that exist right here. Alright, switch to the wireframe, grab all of these edges or vertices and hit E and extrude them just like that to the x-axis. Now that's fine. Maybe I need to move these down a bit, G, and take them down. This one, G, and move it a bit. Yeah, that's nice. Now let's give this a thickness. If you want to give it a thickness, that's cool. If you want to ignore it and leave it just like that, that's gonna work. But for me, I think I need to give it a thickness. So let's see how can we do that. Let's go to the modifier properties, and let's add a solidify. And as you see now, the solidify is working. Let's increase the thickness a bit, not too much, and activate even thickness to make sure that everything is even. And now you can leave it just like that. I will apply the result that exists here, and maybe I can hit Control Z to choose fill rim or rim only, to ignore the inner face and just take the advantage of the rim, and that's it. And apply the solidify, we don't need it anymore. When you compile it, right click, shade smooth it, and go to auto smooth and activate auto smooth. Or actually you don't need to activate auto smooth, because I will add subdivision surface. Let's tap to the edit mode, and let's grab these edges, Control B for bevel, and just bevel them. Add the 3 edges here and the 3 right here, Control B for bevel. Let's select this, and let's select the entire edges that exist here, all of them, this one, and I think that's it. And now you can bevel them all, so Control B for bevel, hold shift to make the bevel very subtle, just like that. That's very nice and very clean. After this result, above this result, now we can add the subdivision surface. And if you're satisfied with the result of 1, that's okay. You can increase this to 2 if you want. Let's tab again to the edit mode, and let's see what else we can do here. Maybe I need to support this area, Control R, and let's add an edge to support this area from here. Now we got something sharp, a bit sharp here. Well, that's nice. I think I need to add another edge. Control R right here to support this area. The same thing here, Control R to support it from here. Maybe here, Control R to support this place. And Control R right here to support this area. And now we got something very beautiful and nice. That's cool. So this is how to create this piece. So that's will do it for this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.